My name is Alex. It's a nice car. It's your car?
No, it's my brother's car.
Nice.
I'm Pristan.
Oh, I'm Diana.
Hi.
My name is Al Chan. I'll be a driving instructor for the... Handbrake first. Okay. Oh no. Oh, yeah, slide. No. Release the clutch. Oh. It's fine, but it's fine, yeah, we can do it.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Be careful. Be on this line. No, don't go to this line. Just stay there.
Go. Go faster.
Oh,
Okay. We go to left. So, and I said left, not right. Hey, it's not raining.
ready?
No, wait. I think I need to practice more.
Stop.
Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay, just be relaxed, okay? Okay, Nona. I think you need to go back to practice more.
You will one more time.
I try.
Let me go like here. Go.